Hi everyone, it is Kristen with Generation Acres Farm. Today's video is going to be a super quick one, but I wanted to share with you how we're going to be starting our seeds indoors this year. I have started seeds in a variety of ways over the last 6 or 7 years. I started with winter sowing, which I have videos about and blog posts and things like that. I do love winter sowing. It is where you use the little clear plastic containers, basically as little miniature greenhouses, to be able to start your seeds while you're still getting frosts and snows and that sort of a thing. So that's a great way to do it. I've also had a greenhouse in the past, which I absolutely loved, and we thought that we may have a greenhouse set up here by this time, but that just didn't happen. So I'm just gonna walk you through what we decided to use this year. It's pretty inexpensive and something that you can just do on your own. It's not a kit, but it only takes a couple of parts to make it. So I hope this is helpful to you guys. I'm gonna show you how I did it. So basically all this is a utility rack that we got from Home Depot, and it is a 5-shelf utility rack. The top does not have anything, so we don't have a light up there, but we do have a really nice south-facing, ooh, you can't even see it, it's so nice. Because of this south-facing window, I think I am still going to put some trays up top, and I think that they'll be just fine. But what we're using on the other shelves is this kind of track lighting here that we picked up from Amazon. That was a kit. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. And then I have my seed trays here. You can see that they hang off the edge just a little bit. So either the sun from the window is gonna take care of that, or I'm gonna rotate my trays. You know, when I come to check on them and water them, I'll just flip them so they can get even lighting. So with this setup, I have 4 lighted shelves. I need to get another tray for down there. And then for the floor, we do have carpet up here. This is my studio that I use for filming on the other YouTube channels and fulfilling orders for the Etsy shop. So I did put down a plastic shower curtain just to protect, because I'm sure, well, as you can see, there's already dirt down there. And there will be water and things that'll get spilt as the kids help me and that sort of thing. So I put that down just to protect the floor. So basically all you need for this setup is this rack, and you can get any size. There's tons of different sizes to choose from, depending, you know, there are shorter ones if you only need to do a few trays. And then, like I said, this light kit is from Amazon, and it wasn't super expensive, and it's pretty cool the way it's set up, and all the lights get linked together, and so you can turn it on and off just with this little switch here. So here's what it looks like with the lights out. These seedlings are gonna get lots of light just from the south-facing window, but to give them just that little extra boost, we decided to set up these lights here, make sure that they don't get leggy and that sort of thing. So that's about it for the DIY seed starting setup. I'm gonna be getting my seeds started very soon here. We are at the end of February. Today's the 21st. And we are getting some very unseasonably warm temperatures this week, highs in the 70s and even 80s one day. So I don't know if this is it for us and we're just moving right into spring, but this is very unusual for us. Usually we're getting some snow, very cold temperatures in February, but it's been very warm. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my seeds started. I'll be making another video all about what I'm planting, and what, you know, which things I start when and that sort of thing. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and let us know how you start your seeds. What is your preferred method? Some people start them in a greenhouse, like I mentioned, winter sowing, or just up against a window, or different methods with lighting inside. So I'd love to know how you start your seeds down in the comments. But thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.